I brought him back to life. He was frozen outside. Oh, he flew off. He's on the lens. Come here, little buggy. I don't want to hurt you. Come here. You can be my friend. You can sit on my shoulder when I work and keep me company. Come here. I'll put you right here on my shoulder. Right there. Look at him. Look at him. Hi, Mr. Buggy. Hey, where'd you going? Look, see? He was outside in the cold. It was all wintry outside. Wait, where'd he go? Oh, he went up there in the lights because it was warm. There he is. Don't get fried. Crap. Hope I didn't just kill him.